Hello, I am Suresh. We will today discuss an interesting topic, that is the last child. It is written by Mulak Rajanand. Once a little boy was going to a village fair with his parents. It was the festival of spring. A large number of people were also going to the fair. The boy saw that some people going to the fair with their bullock carts, and also some were walking to the fair. On his way to the fair, the child saw the toys in the shops. Fascinated by the beautiful toys, he lagged behind. His parents called him loudly to walk with them. He went to them and expressed his desire to buy the toys, but it was torn down by his father. His mother diverted his attention cleverly towards a flowering mustard field. He found a group of dragonflies were moving in search of sweetness from the flowers. He was delighted to see it. Again he was left behind, attracted by the little insects and worms along the footpath. The parents called the child who was behind them. As he came near his parents, who were sitting in the grove, a shower of young flowers fell upon him. He enjoyed the cooing of doves there and forgot his parents. Once again his parents gathered him up and took the curved footpath to the fair. The child with his parents arrived the fair and saw a sweetmeat seller selling various kinds of sweets like gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, etc. He murmured to have his favorite sweet, barfi, but he knew very well about the negative answer of his parents, so he moved on. Then he came across a flower seller who was selling garland of gulmar. He expressed his desire to have the garland in a very low voice, but he knew very well that his parents would refuse to buy it. So, without waiting for an answer, he moved on. As the child moved on, he saw a man selling balloons of different colors. He wanted to have it, but he did not ask for it as he knew the attitude of his parents. So he walked further. Just then he heard a snake charmer playing a flute to a snake. He went towards the snake charmer, but thinking of his parents, he proceeded further. He wanted to go on the roundabout. The child made a bold request to his parents to go on the roundabout. There was no reply. He turned to look on either side but could not find them in the crowd. He tried bitterly out of fear. He ran here and there in the crowd to find his parents. At last he ran to the temple, which was overcrowded. The poor child struggled to find a way in the crowd and felt. He raised his voice with the highest pitch to find out his parents. Fortunately, a man in the crowd heard his cry and lifted him up. The man asked the child about his parents. The child wept more and more and wanted his father and mother. The man tried his best to make the child happy. He wanted to make the child happy. He took him to the roundabout and asked him a ride on the horse. The child did not look at it. He only shouted for his father and mother. The man then went to the snake charmer, waited to listen the music of the snake charmer. The child shut his ears with his fingers. The man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright color of the balloon will attract him. But the child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and shouted his parents. The man took him to the gate where the flower seller sat. The child turned his nose from the basket and repeated his shop. Then the man thought he could change his mind by a gift of sweets. He took him to the counter of sweets, and also the child turned his face and cried only for his parents.